In this lesson, we will see together the prepositions, but more precisely, we will see hors de. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. So, this lesson is about hors de. And the preposition hors de can be translated as out of, beyond, or outside of, in English, depending on the context. And we will see 4 examples with hors de. Il est hors de question que tu sortes ce soir. Il est hors de question que tu sortes ce soir. Je suis hors de moi après cette nouvelle. Je suis hors de moi après cette nouvelle. Garde les bonbons hors de portée des enfants. Garde les bonbons hors de portée des enfants. Il est sorti hors de l'eau pour respirer. Il est sorti hors de l'eau pour respirer.